a daily basis, we do the planning for production. I do it from my computer. I will schedule all the work to different machines. We've got 2 IBR machines, 2 corrugated machines, we've got 1 WIDEK machine, we've got 1 Diamondek machine, and 1 static Springlok machine. Then we also have 2 mobile machines. With the planning during the day, I will be in my office. I will plan the work to the machines. From the machines, it will go to the coil coordinators, which will then prepare the coils for us for day shift. Each machine will have its dedicated work to produce. With that, we will go through about 38 to 40 coil changes a day. That will be including all different colors, thicknesses, narrow flutes and broad flutes. Once we start producing, we've got a team of 3 crane drivers. They work in pairs of 2. They will start taking the finished goods away. They will put them in a certain bay where they will be shipped to different areas. Each area will be marked as route 1, route 2 or route 3. So basically all the finished goods will go into the different routes and will be prepared during the day for loading at night. The night team will come in. They've got about 20 trucks to load, which will take about an hour and a half a vehicle. These vehicles will be pulled in and it will be get loaded from certain bays in the route the truck is leaving.